Are you a broke college student like me and you want to figure out how to make money like me? Watch this video to the end and I'm going to teach you the easiest way to break into tech. Breaking into tech, it sounds impossible in 2024 with AI and many tech companies, reaching billions of dollars in sales and dropping a lot of their employees. It sounds scary, especially as a computer science major. I'm not bullshitting. I go to Fairfield University. The job market for computer science majors, it's scary. So I understand how many of you guys may feel. But you're probably thinking you need a computer science degree, like me, years of coding experience, or let's be real, a miracle. But realistically, you don't need that to break into tech. But here's the thing, that's not true. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to break into tech, even if you have zero experience, like me. What up guys, it's your boy Nate, and in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys my journey to breaking into tech and to internet technologies. To give y'all a rundown, so basically what I do, this YouTube channel is supposed to be, so I'm turning it into a tech channel. So I did start off with gaming, it didn't work out. So now I'm breaking more into tech, and it's slowly working out for me, but it's a long journey. And I've been doing YouTube since I was in middle school, so almost 10 years. So yeah, I've done it as long as most of the bigger YouTubers nowadays, but you know what I'm saying, I want more for myself, and I want my channel to reach different parts of the world so people can watch my videos and stuff like that. Basically, this video is talking about how I'm starting my journey into being an IT specialist. So I bought this course. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. But basically, the easiest way to break into tech is just to start learning. You do not need to buy any fancy things. All you need is a phone or a laptop. Tech is already at our fingertips. If you're watching this video, you're already breaking into tech. Now what you need to do is just to do a little bit more research, a little bit more searching to find what you actually want to do in tech. So me personally, I'm going to school for computer science right now, and with computer science as like a major, it's not going anywhere, and the job market is very saturated. Everybody's majoring in it, so it's like a very broad major that if you don't have any projects or any experience, you won't find a job right out of the boat. Now during college, you can work a part-time job, work your way up, and it's usually going to take some time in order to find a job. But certifications also allow you to jump that gap into finding a job quicker or faster than anybody else. Now I've mostly been doing tech videos, or not tech videos, but like messing with tech since I was in middle school. So it wasn't really awkward for me to break into tech. But more recently, just getting into the advanced stuff, it's actually been more easier than I thought, yeah. So my first semester of college, it was a little bit rough because some of the topics were a little bit hard to grasp, but mostly it was the teacher. So usually I can't really put 100% blame onto me, but I'd say about 90% of me was just not trying hard enough. But seeming as I learn and move on, I can definitely put my effort into something that I'm more passionate about. So this course will also help me through that. And seeming as I am in winter break and I won't have school for another month, I'm definitely going to be locking in on this course for the next month to see where I head and make sure I can pass that final exam. So I wrote some notes for the first module, just jotting down some simple stuff. And I also have my notes from my computer science class, but they're kind of irrelevant seeming as the class is already done. But it should help me further for the next semester and to make sure I can pass with a better grade. So this course has about 7 modules including the final exam. So around 8 modules, and it's the length that it takes, the average length it takes to finish it is about 2 months. I'd say about minimum a month if you really just go through it and do it every day. But I'm gonna try and aim to do at least 1 module each day, and I'm gonna try and bring you guys on the journey with me, so you guys I'm serious about it and I'm not bullshitting or anything. But there's many roles in tech, and some roles that you can also break into, like cybersecurity, IT help, analysts analyzing stuff. There's a bunch of roles that you can pick and choose when it comes to tech. Spending about 30 minutes every day looking for entry-level remote or office jobs are a good way to break into tech as well, seeming that most of them don't require any coding experience or any experience at all, especially if you're interning as well.